Ave Maria. All right. Oh yeah. There's that Shire top.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to hear live from the cockpit the lovely voice of Anasir Prudnienko as she brings her aircraft back in from air show right to left. Anna, a beautiful air show performance today. Thank you so much. Anna, wonderful advice for everybody in attendance, and you are proving that. The show was delightful to watch, an aerial ballet, and we thank you so much for what you are contributing as well.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Want some top, Tracy?
No, thank you. Like she's flying to Canada right now? Well,
Here you
no, she's probably got a United States thing. So.
You just gotta have a badge. You gotta have a badge if you want to have a bike out here. Well, you gotta get a job. Come on. Did you guys have a good, your volunteer turnout this year?
We only had like 10.
That's it?
For the medics, yeah.
Oh, medics, yeah.
The rest, everybody else has tons. It's good.
Yeah, it's hard to find the specialized people, Thanks for your help.
For free. Yeah, right?
Yeah, who wants to work for free? What's wrong with you? Never give up. You heard that? Actually?
You can find out more about Canadian Flight Center and Anna Servanenko at www.cfc.aero.
Yeah, I want to go home.
Yeah, me too. Let's get turned up. You guys want to get turned up? Oh, is Steph on her way? Yeah. Oh, Nevada County.
Ladies and gentlemen, still to come, Vicky Benson, Bob Freeman, the extra 330 SS.
Hey, sir. Hey, sir. What are the straps for? Hoisting?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, we're gonna rescue those.
Oh, hell yeah, that's badass.
So it goes around my legs, and then they can clip in from the back to work on the skids.
Sick. Hell yeah, be safe. Thanks for your service. You guys like a fucking G.I. Joe, bro.